Hi guys! So today we're going to York. Andito ulit kami sa train station kasama ko ang aking sister-in-law and my brother. And kung- ayan, so yung mga seniors, nandyan lang sila sa tabi-tabi. 9:40 pa yung train namin and it's just 9:10 dito sa station. So, yun, hinihintay lang namin na mag-board kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung York. First time lang namin. Malamang first time. Tapos, yung brother ko and sister-in-law ko, nakapunta na sila doon. So, sila yung magtutour sa amin. Tapos, may mga wishlist lang ako. Pero isa talaga sa pupuntahan na naman namin doon is outlet store. Pero huli na yon kasi parang magbabas ka pa going there. So, we're here now. We're walking to platform 3. Depende kasi kung saan yung platform nyo na nakalagay sa ticket. Same station din to nung pumunta kami na Edinburgh. So, pumunta kami ng York. Mga 1.5 hours lang naman siya na train ride. May option din to ride via bus. Siyempre, mas matagal. Pero, same price lang siya. And also, today, expected na maraming passengers kasi it's their bank holiday dito sa UK. So, maraming pasahero and mas mahal actually yung ticket. Hindi ko pa alam magkano kasi ang nag-book ng ticket namin yung kapatid ko tsaka yung sister-in-law ko. Ito na yung train namin. Yan, nahanap na lang namin kung anong coach yung sasakyan namin. Nagpunta na kami ng maaga dun sa platform kasi nung last time, apparently nasa dulo yung coach namin. So medyo takbo-takbo pa kami going to the coach assigned to us. Yan. But basically, ito na yung sasakyan namin train.
Peterborough and York.
We've arrived. Mama, pakawin. Yeah, we're here na. Mag-CR muna kami. Ako din, CR ako. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-CR sa Newcastle before we left. This is the York Rail Station. Welcome to York. And guys, ito na. Walking. So, sumunod lang tayo sa kanila because hindi natin alam dito. Ayan daw yung wall. Great Wall. Chares. Okay na may pedestrian naman. Yun ba yung York Minster? Shucks.
And get on the bus again.
Is that included on the 13?
No.
Different
The
one.
different
Okay.
price will be 22.15. Like
Okay.
11 and 11. Even child prices 9 and 9.
We just get the bus.
Just the bus is for us, yeah?
Yeah, for 6 of us.
No problem.
Well, mga part.
Oh, hop on, hop off na. Yay!
Kasi punta niya lahat.
Pay by card.
Napapagastos ko tayo kapag
such as cholera, smallpox,
are
or tuberculosis.
in
bus
the
ride.
tourist
It's only recently that we
bus
discovered how to treat or
going,
cure these
going
diseases.
around
And for
York.
the most part, these and other old diseases no longer play a part in modern life. Tuberculosis, which was referred to as consumption, seemed to run in families. One after another, the children would sicken, take to the sofa and die. A light diet of jelly and port might comfort them, but their end was not far away, and they would die.
So, yung first stop nung bus from the York train station, bumaba kami doon. Tapos lalakad ka lang diretso papuntang Railway Museum. So, huwag niyo i-follow yung Google Maps kasi medyo unreliable siya. Malayo pa daw yung walk. But Apple Maps yung ginamit namin. So, walk ka lang dito sa tunnel na to. Ito na yung train. You know. So, ito yung loob ng Railway Museum. Yan, iba-ibang klaseng trains. Makikita mo dito meron yung train na nagdadala ng freight. Yung mga lumang train. Ito, like ito, puntahan natin. Sa Titanic. Charing. So, this is a Pullman car. Pullman cars like this were the ultimate in luxury in Britain's railway. So, luxury daw pag nakasakay ka dito. Lavish carriages to the American railways. Oh, okay. So, this car ran on services from London to Folkestone and Dover, where passengers could take the ferry and then luxury train all the way to Paris. Topaz. Tapos meron din ditong Shinkansen kanina, yung sa Japan. So, the engine shed. Ito may ano, royal emblem, whatever. So, ano kaya itong train na to? Oh, may Prince William nakalagay. Tingnan natin kung ano itong train. Ito, meron pa yung luma, Ang gawa pa siya sa kahoy. Dynamometer car Elner. Rail car number 4. Ayan. So, seats on their exclusive service between Birmingham and Cardiff were available for the same price as a standard third class fare. Ayan. Then, meron din cafe dito, guys. So, napagod kayo, nagutom kayo, you can get food. Then, we got here, North Shed. Ano ba to? Small items. Ooh. So, punta na kami ngayon na outlet. Uy, kayo. Kita ba kami? Gusto mo makita? Eh, magpapaalam siya kung pwedeng mamalimos.
Hindi, NHS yung lanyard niya.
Ha?
NHS yung lanyard.
Ah, okay. Baka may naiwan.
Buti nakuha pa niya.
Oo nga eh.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Cellphone.
Paano kung hindi gumana yung akin? Pwede i-double tap.
Kami na po.
Double.
Dati, yes, dinidikit ko siya. Pag dikit pala, hindi siya nag-start.
Ano dapat?
Yung medyo may awang siya ng price.
Ay, hello.
Huwag masyadong dikit.
Ticket. Yay, it worked. Philophy.
Are you alright? Are you?
So, we're back sa town.
Yan na yung ating bus eh, di ba? Yan?
Hindi.
Hindi ba yan?
Hindi. Blue.
Blue.
Tap and go yung ganun na.
This is the Clifford's Tower. Ito siya.
Hi guys! We're here at Clifford's Tower.
Ayan. So, sa tapat nung mismong Clifford's Tower, merong bus stop for the hop-on, hop-off ng Golden Tours and City Sightseeing York. So, hintayin na lang namin yung bus namin.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! We are now here in
Clifford's Tower.
Clifford's Tower. Hindi ko alam.
Paano kanyang kikita sa farm?